ha ha. Got the plow mount off it for now because it's removable, so screw it, slide it out. It's summer, well, spring. Flashy flashies. Now that's a lot more impressive at night for reverse lights. And I've still got more lights I want to put on this thing. More lights, more. Need more. More. My friends joke that this thing's gonna have more switches than the fucking space shuttle when I'm done. Alright. Pop that down. Put that in. Wow. Yeah, it definitely has some reflection off of shit. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, since the last time at a CB radio, there's a PA speaker in the overhead light bar. So I got that hooked up. Let's see here. Oh yeah, that'll get them damn dogs out of the way. Trying to plow. Come get your goddamn dog. Oh, that even out in the open. You see, it's not quite dark yet, but it's not quite daylight. A nice dusk area to spectrum where you can still see shit. But no, I like it. Nice driving truck. Oh, yeah, she got a little bit of snort left in her. Oh, and my neighbors are probably wondering, what the fuck is he doing? Oh well. Hope you had fun. Laters.